Hiya folks, been a while, but I've got the Fizzy Frame back now. It's been painted and the swinging arm as well. Let me just show you that. So as you can see, it has been it's not been powder coated. It's got a fantastic gloss on it there, as you can see. I'm really happy with that, nice and solid. And there's the swinging arm as well. Let's get that out and show you. It's got a lovely deep gloss on it. Look at that, look. Absolutely fantastic. So yeah, that's all ready now. So just put that back in there. So I had that repair on the back there. I've got to re-drill the hole down there through there where the bolt goes through for the rear mudguard mount there. So I'll do that on the bike while I'm putting it all back together. But look at that, look. What a superb finish. I'm well chuffed with that, and it's solid as a rock. Lovely 2K lacquer on there over the black base. So that's that. And one of the reasons why, again, apart from that we've been doing other stuff as well in the house on my other channel. We've actually just redecorated my dining room, and I've got a bit of a retro corner, which I think you may like as well. This is, I've got some of the stuff that I've actually restored before on my Retro Hacks channel, which isn't, I've changed the name of it now, but that's another story. Let me just turn you around and show you my feature wall. There you go, let's just pull you back here. As you can see, that's the dining room now, and this is a lot of stuff here. Is retro stuff. These are stuff I actually restored on my Retro Hacks channels there. I've done these powder coated them. This was totally smashed in when this was done. Coming down here, there's an old fizzy tank that I restored. Again, that was all holed and it looked a right state. If you want to see these videos, I'll try and leave the links in the description below where I restored all these. There's a couple of old CB radios there, as you can remember. That's a Harrier CBX from 1982. That's the actual, I had one of them when I was CBing back in the 80s. And one of the other similar ones that people used to like was Amstrad CB 901. This one had a Roger bleep on it as well. So that's that. And I've actually got the original box for that one as well. A couple of other things I restored there was this old Mary Lou vintage Charles washing machine. Some old toys of the 60s. I think this is a 1960s one. Again, I took all this apart. It weren't like this when I bought it, obviously. And I powder coated it all, painted it all. And exactly the same with that one there. And also that blow butter churn there. That was an old petrol can, which I cleaned up and restored. Just turn it on for you. So there you go. I made that little oil spout come out there with a coat hanger and some hot glue, just to make it look like it's an oil can, which obviously it was, or a petrol can. And then the thing which I'm most pleased with, apart from the other lamps I've restored there, Pifco lamps and stuff like that, is the actual vintage rally chopper there, which I've actually mounted on the wall there. This one is from 1980. It's called Quicksilver colour, totally original. So this is 45 years old, I think. 1980, all original parts on it, even down to the rally nuts on it there. And yeah, so that's my little vintage corner over there. Anyway, let's go out and have a look, see what we need to do to the Fizzy now, because we're at the stage where we need to clean things up, get things replaced. So let's get out to the log cabin and see what we got to do. Right, just coming in here. Haven't been in here for a while. There's the old RD there, the 250 LC. I love that bike. I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's in really great condition. Right, okay, so here's all my bits over here. New bits and stuff for the Fizzy. There's the tank there, which I've got to sandblast. And coming over here, when we stripped the Fizzy down, everything was put in these two plastic boxes here. So I've got this box here and also that box there. The wheels are in great condition. They literally just need a clean up. The forks are going to need refurbishment. But what I was going to do is to get all the metal bolts and stuff. See, that's that bolt there, I think. Get all the metal bolts out and put them in a rock tumbler and get them cleaned up as best I can. And if they don't come up all right, I'm looking into getting them plated as well. So I might buy a nickel plating kit or something like that to do that. But anyway, so I'm going to get these bolts out, get them ready, get them in the rock tumbler and get this thing going. Me and Jimmy have been out the back, busy. You know, I've been on about building this extension shed, but we've actually started it, me and Jimmy now, and I'll just show you how far we've got so far. So as you can see, we've got the backboard in, all individual feather boards that. We're building the frame as we go along, and we're now to the end of the plinth there. It's quite a long one. I think it's about 6 metres long, Jimmy. Something like that, yeah. So we've just put the uprights in, so now all we're going to do is featherboard all that, And then virtually, that's it. I haven't got the roof on, obviously. We're going to build along the sides, maybe build the front and then put the roof on afterwards. Finally getting around to doing it, and it's looking pretty good. This is the back side of it there, look. So that'll all be re-stained up and all that. So yeah, I've got another Fizzy engine there, folks. Because apparently, this the casings I bought, these ones in here, someone said that that's the wrong casings. So I wasn't too sure about that, but I got that for a good deal from one of my subscribers. And thank you very much for that. I think it was Dave who sent me that. So well done, Dave. Thanks for that. And thanks for spotting it, because I didn't notice it. I've not really checked all the Fizzy stuff. So there you go. So we're going to carry on now. Start featherboarding this. Put you on a little bit of time lapse for this, and you can just watch what we're up to. So we'll see you in a minute. All these ones have been exactly 6 foot in input sort of thing. So that's it. We can go and cut that now. That. About the same? Go on, let you go first. We might as well drill a hole through that end again like we did with the other one. And then put one in the middle, won't it? Right, let's get that end one in. One in the middle. Do now, we get the set square. Right, so you can hold that down there like that. Make sure it's sitting square. There you go. Is that square? Got it? Oh, come to me a bit. Right there. Got it?
That's not quite in the bubbly bubble.
Ah, don't worry about that. It's that L shape, we need that square. Throw that in there. Right, got it? Might move a bit. See it? Yeah, that'll do. Yeah, once it's in place I can lift the screw a bit. Yeah, not the very long ones then. That's it. Go right there. There you go. And what do you want? You looking for shadows, Merlin? Hey? Oi! Yeah, you know. Right, so we started boarding now, as you can see. We're just going to fix this one in place and then just carry on. We're about halfway on this panel. So we have to, with the ends here, we have to pre-drill these holes like this because they can split if you just try and screw screws into them. But the ones in the middle are fine. And this is where your battery powered drills come in very handy. One more, and it's just a matter of repeat all the way till we get to the end. And it's pretty easy to line them up by eye, as you can see, because we're just following the next one. I'll go there and we just match it up till it's level, and on we go and carry on and board it all up. So that's how we're doing it. We're going to carry on doing this, so we'll see you a bit later on. Right, Looks like it's just about to start raining, folks, but we've got that other load up. There we go, 2 lots now. We just got that little one to do there, which ain't a problem. That's it from the other side, look. And what I will do with this is, just saying to Jimmy, that goes right down to the end where Jimmy's garden is down there, but it's all overgrown. I'll put some membrane down there and use that as a walkway. And maybe enclose that somehow, maybe put a little, so you can walk along there so you don't get no rain down there. Yeah, so as I say, the rain's going to stop playing now, so Sharon's gone down the road. We're going to just have a chill out for a bit. So we're slowly getting there now with the garden. I've got all that featherboard left there, obviously, to go along around the sides. I can't remember exactly how much I bought, whether I bought enough to do all of it. This wooden frame here, I think I've got enough of this wooden frame here, this 2x2, to come down here and come along the front there, and there's going to be 2 doors down that other end there. So I think I've got enough for the frame, but I didn't buy the wood for the roof yet, so that's another thing we've got to sort out. And yeah, right, I'll leave it here for the moment, come back to you a little bit later on.